Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be doing a review on the Xyron. I bought two different ones. This one is the Xyron Creative Station Lite. And it says this thing can also laminate, magnet maker, as well as a sticker maker. When I did the cotton candy video, it was referred to me that, there was an easier way of making stickers, that this thing right here can make some stickers instead of having to deal with the shipping tape and all of that. So I was like, I'm going to give it a try. I got this off of Amazon for 40 bucks. I also bought a refill cartridge. The refill was $10. At the same time, if that is too expensive, I also purchased one for my daughter. Hers was only $8, and I'm going to tell you why. Y'all, I tried to look at her room for that thing. If you have kids and you go in a teenager's room, you can't find anything, okay? I went in her room looking for it because we played with it. We played with that thing and it worked. The thing with hers is it is disposable. It's disposable, meaning when you use it, it's done. There's no refills for it. It's just done. You toss it, you buy another one. Now hers is not as big as mine. Hers is just a little 3-inch. So the stickers can only be, as long or as wide as 3 inches, but it can be as long as you want it. These are some, she didn't do this one, but the rest of them she did do. She ran some little fake money through, and yeah, she pretty much made those stickers. I also made stickers for my other kids to put on their tablets so they know who's is who and everything. But to test this one out, I have not tested this out. I just printed out those logos that we were working on a few days ago because this would also be a great way to add your logos to your items. It's a sticker, it's a business sticker, so you can just take it off, slap that bad boy on, or even put some stickers down if you're going to if you do like events, to have some of these down inside of your goodie bags with your information on it. It's a sticker. It's great. We about to go ahead and open this box up and get up into this, y'all. Okay, so it does come with instructions, of course, but y'all know me. Those things get tossed to the side. Okay. Now, because I'm just going to be doing the logos, I probably will not use the cartridge that comes with it. See, this is why you should probably read the instructions. I'm trying to figure out how to open. Okay, see, I figured it out. Okay, so as you can see down in there, it already does have a cartridge. This one is a 5-inch cartridge. The cartridge that I bought are just for 3 inches, depending on the size of the stickers that you want to do. Just keep things simple. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna keep it in, but you can switch out. The side will only between 3 and 5. There is a bigger one that does 9-inch, up to 9-inch stickers, which would be great. You guys can use this also for water bottle labels. You can use this for even sticking the images on like paper plates, balloons. You guys, all kinds of, why am I holding that up? Like, okay. So it does have this handle on the side, and I'm assuming that is what you're going to roll it through. Okay, so this is where it comes out. It has this little so I can slice it off. Okay. So I just feed it in through there, through that slot looks very small. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these things off. We're gonna get up into this. Alright, you guys, so I've got everything set up. I'm ready to go. I'm also going to try some ribbon, so I'm going to stick some ribbon in here with these as well as I'm going to feed it in through the front At the same time, I'm going to pretty much wind it up to see if this thing works. Shoot, let's see if it's read. Alright, I can see it coming out. I used a huge piece of ribbon. Maybe I shouldn't have used the ribbon that long. Jesus. My ribbon done? No, my ribbon is still going. Okay, and then the one thing that I do like about it is this orange thing here. You can just slice it off. And it does put like a laminate, a clear protectant over it. I'm just going to press these down, rub them. And I've got a plain piece of paper right here to test it on, see if this stuff sticks, see if it works. I'm curious to see if the ribbon actually took. Okay, once you rub it down, you can go ahead and take this clear backing off. Y'all, this clear stuff looks sticky itself. Yeah, this stuff is sticky. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel this sticker off. Ooh, y'all, it's stuck. It is stiff. All right, it's a sticker. It is a sticker, y'all. So, and these are permanent. These stickers are supposed to be permanent. Now let's see if this ribbon also works. Because you know there are people out there that scrapbook. This would be great for y'all. I can just look at this and see all of the adhesive on it. Do y'all see that? So I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's really nice. It is very sticky. Ooh, nope, don't pull it back up. Don't pull it back up. You'll mess your paper up. Leave it down. Once you put that bad boy down, it's down. So I would say this is a definite yes to have. This is definitely something that you want to have up in your space. Look at that. You can even make stickers for yourself if you're going to an event, name tags, all types of things, y'all. All types of things with this. I definitely say get this. And if you can't get the one that is $40, my daughter's, hers work perfect. Like I said, the only thing is there is not any refills with hers. So once your 18 feet of adhesive is gone, that's it. It's gone. But for $8, you can't beat it. And I got both of them off of Amazon. This one is the light, so this one only does up to 5 inches. The other one was, I think, like $8 more, which isn't bad. And that does up to 9 inches, which, like I said, that's 4 sheets of paper. You know, that's a full sheet of paper that you are able to put through and make, you know, sticky. Now, think if you have a shop, you can make stickers now for your customers. You know, you could do the Capri Suns with this. You could do, I'm about to do my next labels with this bad boy right here. But anyways, if you have any questions, y'all, I thank y'all, the ones that referred this, the Xyron to me. Thank y'all. I do thank y'all. Let me tell you, y'all made my life so much easier. The only thing is, when it does do the stickers, like the stickers are not laminated, it's just the paper. So if you want like that glossy effect, then you will have to use that type of paper. That's the only thing. But I mean, shoot, it's still worth the $40, I say. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.